Pandas, how to check dtype for all columns in a data frame? It seems that dtype only work for pandas.dataframe.series, right? Is there a function to display data types of all columns at once?
The singular form type is used to check the data type for a single column, and the plural form types is for data frame, which returns data types for all columns. Essentially, for a single column, for all columns. Example:
Suppose df is a pandas data frame, then to get number of non-null values and data types of all column at once use.
To go one step further, I assume you actually want to do something with these types. df.types.do_dict comes in handy. You'll find that pandas did a really good job comparing NumPy classes and user-provided strings. For example, even things like == dataframe col_name.type will succeed when .type == np.float64.
This answer does not directly answer Op's question but might be useful. Responses so far rely on printed reports or string values, so might not be future-proof. Pandas offers programmatic ways for type checking.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.